Sound the annoying alarm with the Annoy-A-Tron Prankster pack. 3 tiny noise-making devices you hide to torture the ears of your unsuspecting victims. If they react violently, simply hand them the Mindless Violence coloring book. Swanboat, look out for the axe! These are prank gifts. Happy Haloot days! This is loot. Slip on the instant raw strength of man hands to obtain the strength required to eat a skull. These handmade anatomically correct chocolate skulls. If things get messy, wash off with your wallet thanks to money soap. A bar of soap with the monies, with all the monies folded inside, allowing you to feel filthy rich and squeaky clean at the same time. Time, kept on the little rebel wall clock. Don't you dare read that second sentence. No, you've got some rebellious thoughts inside your hot head. A portable, heatable, holdable of your face. The microwavable little wheat bag simply requires you to upload a picture of your face or the face of your Handipug. The crowning constant canine finger puppet companion is the opposite of repugnant. It's pugnificent? You know, that wasn't my best pun. I need a pick-me-up. Oh, thank you, instant audience. An electronic audience sound maker that gives you reactions like applause, crickets, rim shot, and booing. Since surprises are never boring, you jerk. There's the Secret Santa box, a stress-free gift-giving experience designed for Secret Santas, filled with a mystery item and loving crap wrap. Now sit down to a nice plate of cookies and drink a tall glass of milk from the "You Have Just Been Poisoned" pint glass. Oh no. The only antidote is the mysterious package company. A strange delivery, or a series of them, will arrive in the mail and embark the recipient on an investigation so realistic that some people have even called the police. Reading a missing person's chilling diary, discovering a Cold War experiment and bringing back the dead, or poring over an ancient statue? Yeah, it's pretty mysterious. For something mouth-sterious, try mberry miracle berries. Tiny tablets that transform acidic, sour, and bitter foods from lemons and vinegar into something tasting sweet, savory, and delicious. And I've actually had these before and they are really cool. But before day turns to night on your day-night heat-sensitive mug, I want to say I feel bad about all these pranks, so please, ask me why I'm honest. Abe Lincoln flip-up shirt. And as always, pranks for watching. The Curiosity Box, a box filled with science goodness by Vsauce just for you.